We humans love to think we're the smartest species on the planet. But every now and then, nature hits us with a big, sarcastic, "Oh, really?" Today on the Fun 7, we're recounting down 7 times animals outsmarted humans, from criminal crows to thieving dolphins and even a horse who learned to cheat the system. So hit that like button, subscribe to the Fun 7, and let's meet the geniuses that make us all look kinda dumb. 7. The crow that used a vending machine. Crows are basically flying problem solvers. One scientist built a vending machine for them. You drop a coin, you get a peanut. Simple, right? The crow learned the trick in minutes, then it got smarter. It started bringing bottle caps, paper clips, and random shiny trash to try to trick the machine. When humans realized what it was doing, they upgraded the system. And the crow learned again. So yeah, a crow literally hacked a vending machine before most of us learned how to use online banking. 6. The dolphin that cheated for snacks. At a marine center, dolphins were trained to collect trash floating in the pool. Each time they brought a piece to the trainer, they got a fish. One dolphin figured out how to get infinite fish. It started hiding a big piece of trash under a rock. Every time it wanted a snack, it tore off a small piece, brought it over, and got rewarded. Basically, the dolphin invented recycling fraud. If there's ever a dolphin mafia, that one's the boss. 5. The octopus that escaped every night. At a New Zealand aquarium, keepers couldn't figure out why fish kept disappearing from a nearby tank. Turns out, an octopus named Inky was sneaking out of his tank at night, crawling across the floor, eating fish and returning before sunrise. One night he took it further. He opened his tank lid, slid down a drain pipe, and escaped into the ocean. No one has seen him since. The headline literally read, "Inky the octopus escapes, probably laughing." That's Ocean's 11, with tentacles. 4. The dog who faked being injured. In Mexico, a stray dog gained internet fame for pretending to limp, just to get food and attention. People felt so bad they started feeding him daily. Then, when no one was watching, he walked perfectly fine. Cameras caught him switching legs sometimes, depending on the crowd. Congratulations, buddy. You're not just man's best friend, you're also man's best con artist. 3. The parrot who outsmarted Alexa. A parrot in the UK learned to mimic his owner's voice perfectly. He'd wait until the owner left the house, then say, "Alexa, order snacks." Amazon deliveries started showing up constantly, cookies, nuts, even jewelry. When the owner checked the Alexa history, she heard her own voice. That bird basically committed identity theft and got away with it. Somewhere there's a parrot right now saying, "Alexa, buy more crackers." 2. The monkey that stole a photographer's camera. In Indonesia, a monkey grabbed a tourist's camera, turned it around, and took a perfect selfie. The photo went viral, and then a debate started. Who owns the copyright, the human or the monkey? Animal rights activists argued the photo belonged to the monkey. That's right, this little guy almost became the first animal photographer with legal rights. Forget Planet of the Apes. This was Copyright of the Apes. 1. The horse that learned to count and cheat. Back in the early 1900s, there was a horse named Clever Hans. He could solve math problems by tapping his hoof. People thought he was a genius, until scientists realized he was just reading human body language. Whenever his trainer tensed up, Hans stopped tapping. So technically the horse wasn't doing math, he was doing psychology. Clever Hans didn't just outsmart humans, he exposed how easily humans fool themselves. That's next-level brain power right there. So what did we learn today? That intelligence doesn't belong only to humans. It comes with feathers, fins, fur, and sometimes a serious sense of humor. Which of these genius animals blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments, and remember, before you call someone a dumb animal, check your Wi-Fi password recovery skills first. Thanks for watching the Fun 7, where the wild side of intelligence always wins. Laugh, learn, repeat.